In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Sometimes what we want does not happen, and what we don't want does happen. It keeps happening around us, and it keeps happening with each and every one of us, not just with the weaker folks, but even with the so called strong people as well, even with the so called resourceful people as well. So, in this respect, I think each and every human being is the same. In this respect, each and every human being is the same. There is no difference between these two, right or wrong? Right. So, also we need to understand that if at all I was willing to gain something, to get to do something, to achieve something, but it did not happen. No problem. No problem indeed. Never feel sad. Never feel sad. If what you wanted to do could not be done, or if you wanted to avoid could not be avoided, no need to worry about it all. Why not to worry? Why not to worry? Because after some of the time, you will become normal again. And if at all you do have to become normal only after a little bit of the time, so why to get upset? Why to get unhappy? Let's stay happy. Also, why are we so desperate to gain something, to achieve something, to possess something? Why are we so desperate? I think that we should be okay and happy if it does come to you or it does not come to you. Stay firm because you matter. That particular thing does not matter at all. That particular material achievement does not matter at all. That particular so called honor does not matter at all. You wanted to achieve, you wanted to gain a degree but could not. Or you did. You wanted to become a parliamentarian, you wanted to get elected to the powerhouse. You wanted to become a legislative member. You wanted to become the member of the legislative assembly. No problem. Because after some of the time, it will be okay. Even if you are a member, if you are not a member, if you did succeed in achieving a degree or you did not succeed, if you succeeded in earning some money, a piece of land, any other asset or not, it will be okay. What matters is you actually, and you are not here forever. You mean you, each one of us. We are not here forever. If we are not here forever, so what is the importance of the things attached with us? What is the importance of the so called honors attached with us? Just be happy. Plus, for the consolation of yours and that of mine, if we wanted to achieve something but we could not, we need to understand that not maybe failing to achieve is a good thing, and these are the benefits of being unable to achieve that. Likewise, if we wanted to avoid something but we fail to, here too, we need to tell ourselves that maybe avoiding it was not as good an option as being unable to avoid. Because there are pros and cons of everything. There are pros and cons of everything. Because there are plus and minuses of everything. Because there are advantages and disadvantages of everything. So why to worry? If there are advantages and disadvantages of everything else, so why to worry then? Why to worry then? I'm not suggesting at all that we should start committing a crime. We should stop being careful. This is not what I'm suggesting at all. What I am suggesting is, what I am suggesting is that don't be so desperate. Don't die for certain things. Don't die for certain things to happen. Don't die for certain other things not to happen. Don't be desperate to achieve something, and do not be desperate to avoid certain other things as well. It's okay to be careful. It is okay to be cautious. It is okay to observe all the rules. I'm not suggesting at all that we need to become a careless person. I'm not suggesting this thing at all. I'm not suggesting that we should start acting in an irresponsible manner. Not at all, not at all, not at all. We do need to act in a responsible manner. We do need to become careful and cautious human being. But never become desperate enough to achieve something, never become desperate to avoid something. And I think that we should just wait whatever is there written in our luck, in our fate, in our destiny. Whatever is our destiny, I think we should be happy and we should be content with it. We should be contented with it. We need to become contented whatever is going to happen and whatever is not going to happen. And it is actually, we need to become happy with we ourselves. We need to become happy with we ourselves. That's all. Avoid, avoid being desperate for certain things, or being desperate towards certain other things. Be careful and be cautious. Whatever has happened, be happy with it. Whatever failed to happen, be happy with it. Be happy irrespective of the results. Be happy, be contented, be contented. Whatever our fate brings to us, whatever our luck brings to us, be happy, be contented with it. Never be anxious, never spoil your time, never remain unhappy at all. Always be happy, always be happy. Thank you.